Bam, right back at you, y'all. JP the Mask from the Corvette Boys. Look, we got something really good today. This is a follow-up to the stage 1 that I did on my 2017 Harley Road Glide. We're talking about stage 1 on this M8 motor, y'all. Look, stage 1, I like it. I like it a lot. What it did, I'm gonna explain to you in a minute. But first, I'm gonna show you the upgrades. We got the Fuel Moto. We got the Fuel Moto air cleaner here, y'all. Looking real sweet, you know. Already got a lot of compliments on this already. And we got the Bassani head pipe flowing back into the Cobra neighbor haters, y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's good stuff. Those neighbor haters sound good. They sound real good, y'all. Really good. Just gonna give you a quick view of my factory 47 bars here that was done. All right, so back to the stage 1, y'all. This stage 1 is crazy. I mean, when I really felt it, the difference is on the highway. More top end, and it felt like it actually feels like the bike has extra legs, you know what I mean? Like almost like I have a 7th gear where the bike just runs out. It just wants to run. Before, without being, you know, without doing the upgrade, it was different. It was like it was plugged up. So when the head pipe was changed to Bassani head pipe, I mean, the motor, you can tell the motor's just open and it's flowing as it should. And I have something else I'm gonna go over with you too, besides the stage 1. But we'll get to that in a second. But yeah, I like it. I like stage 1. Tell me what y'all think. If I should do the stage 2 and upgrade to a cam, let me know down in the comments. Talk to me, y'all. Let me know what's going on, because I love the stage 1, you know. And I don't have any problems with that at all. Like I said, it feels like the bike just wants to run and run and run. It's like open, and the motor's flowing as it should. And I'm gonna tell you why I say the motor's flowing as it should. Okay, I had a rocker box leak down here on the front, right down here on the front, right here. Okay, and after I did the stage 1, no longer. So with that catalytic converter that was in the stock head pipe, like I said, the motor's plugged up. So I'm telling everybody out there that has a Harley M8 touring bike, road glide, street glide, get rid of that stock head pipe. It's garbage. Do not keep that on the bike. Let this motor flow as it should. You're gonna be very happy. Even if you do stage 1, and I know stage 2 is probably gonna be a lot crazier, but I'm telling you, do not keep that stock head pipe on the bike if you want some more performance and you know, to let the motor run freely without being plugged. It's like, imagine this, imagine blowing your nose with a clamp over your nose. Trying to blow your nose with a clamp over your nose, I would say. It's crazy. It's crazy. So that was my experience on changing out the head pipe, and also the Power Vision tuner from Fuel Moto. So I would recommend, if you're gonna do a stage 1, get everything from Fuel Moto. Let them put the tune on the Power Vision tuner, because I can't speak for any other stage 1s, but I know with this upgrade, by working with Fuel Moto, the bike really hauls, y'all. It really hauls. And I'm happy with the power. I'm happy with the low end, the torque, and everything. So no complaints anywhere. So in the meantime, like I said, check Fuel Moto out and deal with the fellas down there, and they'll get some good stuff to you, and a nice custom map on that Power Vision tuner, you know. But back to this, another view of my machine here. Yeah, oh yeah. Let me know, y'all. Let me know if I should do the stage 2 cam and everything, your opinions on that. I want your opinions. Just hit me up in the comments and let me know. But she sounds really good, very, very good. Like I said, man, just let your M8 motor flow. You want that Harley M8 motor flowing on this bike. You don't want any restrictions with that stock head pipe, because I mean, I definitely had a rocker box leak down here that I was going to fix, and no longer, because the motor's flowing freely. You know what I mean? So that's just another pointer there for y'all. So definitely, y'all, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the Corvette Boys. We do Corvettes and Harleys, all kind of muscle cars, everything. Keep in touch with us. Hit us up in the comments. Let us know your thoughts and everything. Let us know what you're thinking, especially with this bike here, my 17 Road Glide Special. And you know, once again, if I should do the stage 2 with the cam, let me know if I should do this. I'm kind of itching to do it, but I like the stage 1. I like the stage 1 on the Harley M8 motor, you know. So I don't know. I'm still undecided right now, but help me decide. Help me decide, YouTube, on doing a stage 2 on this bike. You know, help me decide. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe to the Corvette Boys. It's gonna be serious, y'all. And doing all of my own work. We do all of our own work on our cars and bikes. So if I get enough hits in the comments to do a stage 2, put a cam in this bike, it's all going to be on video. So anybody out there that has the same bike, street glide, road glide, I'm going to show you how to put that cam in this bike. All right, and do it right at your own garage. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Corvette Boys for life. We out.